Welcome to Lawnmower Care. We picked up this John Deere 210. We're gonna stop at the gas station and fill it up. The guy claims if I throw a battery in it, she should start right up. Needs a seat, but overall the tires look good and the pan isn't all beat to shreds here, and everything seems to be here, so we'll take him for his word. We'll throw some gas in it and see if she'll start up when we get home. $100 John Deere 210 from the country, so we got about 60 miles invested as well, so let's see how it goes. Okay, we're back at this 210. We have it neutral. Our battery box is going to need rebolted in there somehow. The air filter has seen better days. It's got like rust or something in the back of it. The carburetor, rust. That plate, you can take it off and replace the carburetor behind it, but we're gonna throw a little bit of starter fluid in it, and we're gonna see if we can do a first start here. Okay. We're gonna see if she kicks over. There we go. Let's choke it a little bit. Let's hit it. All right, let's take the choke off. Okay, let's re-choke it. Just keep in mind, this probably hasn't been started in a while. Let's go ahead and give it one more hit. Really the can in here. Really the can in here and give it a good one. There we go. If she doesn't fire there, she's got some other problems. All we want to see is a kick. Let's go. Let's find our fire extinguisher. Okay, there it is in the corner. All right, let's go. That battery all the way down, no kick. Let's reset and try again. Grab it in the front. There she goes, along with all the wiring from the headlights. There's our grill, and so the four bolts with it, and then just kind of see where our wiring went. Looks like somebody just kind of disconnected it, which is all right. Here's where our points are, right up in here somewhere. We'll take that cover off, but we can kind of wipe this off or get your air and blow it off. But now we have access to the carburetor here and the points. Let's go ahead and take a flat screwdriver here and see what we got with the points here. Let's see what it looks like in there. Looks pretty clean in there. But yeah, there's a flat screw on the bottom too. We just want to take a peek to see kind of what's going on. Man, I've never seen it look so clean. Doesn't look all corroded or anything in there. It looks actually pretty good. I bet you it's the carburetor here that's a little gummed up. Let's kind of go with the carburetor here for a second. See what we got here. We did kind of slide our screwdriver in here a little bit. There was a little bit of corrosion where the contact of the point meets. And we just kind of cleaned that up a little bit just to see if that would make a difference in terms of it kicking over or something. Maybe just a little corrosion could prevent it from firing off. Get a 5/16 here and take this cover off real quick. Pretty rusty. Maybe we'll clean it up and repaint it or something. There was just a pile of rust just everywhere. There we go. There we go. You can kind of see it's got a bunch of spider webs and stuff. Oh man. I'm not a big fan of spider webs and stuff, that's for sure. There we go. Just kind of clean this area up a little bit. Let's got, yeah, everything we need right there. Just kind of checking everything out. Pull it off to the side. Let's pull the bowl off this carburetor real quick and see if see what it looks like on the inside there. She's dry as a bone in there. Lots of dirt. Look at all that dirt in there. Means this little pump possibly might not be getting gas to it. Well, we're going to get a carburetor for this. If you look inside, you can see she's about done. We thought we might get a little, test out of it, but we got a no-go here. And then this this pump here, I don't even know. I'm gonna check the line and make sure that there's actual gas coming out of it. But hopefully we get another carburetor and that'll make a difference. I also have a new one of these point mechanisms here to install if we need to, but in the meantime, let's get this carburetor going here. That's pretty rough. Part 2 will be coming up when we get the carburetor, and we'll give it another test. But this was kind of fun doing this diagnostics. We will figure this out one way or the other. Anyway, thanks for watching. Get ready for part 2. This has been Lawnmower Care. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe. Catch you next time.